In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your limits on Crypto.com in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or just starting out, understanding your transaction limits is essential for smooth and efficient trading. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. To get started, open up your browser and head over to Crypto.com/exchange. You'll need to log in, so take a moment to enter your credentials. If you don't already have an account, you might want to pause this video and create one. Otherwise, just type in your username and password and you'll be right in. Once you're logged in, you should see a user-friendly interface with various options. Look for the option labeled More, which is typically situated on the top navigation bar or within a drop-down menu, depending on the device you're using. Click on More, and you'll access a host of additional features and information that Crypto.com provides. Now, locate the section called Fees and Limits or Account Limits. This is likely found in the drop-down menu or on a navigation tab. Clicking on this option will lead you to a comprehensive page where you can find detailed information about your deposit, withdrawal, and transaction limits. This area will give you insights into both fiat and cryptocurrency limits, allowing you to see exactly what your current limitations are based on your account level. Understanding these limits is crucial, especially if you're planning significant transactions or fund transfers. If you're aiming to make larger trades, knowing these boundaries helps in planning effectively, ensuring you won't face any unexpected stops. Keep in mind that these limits can vary based on several factors, such as account verification level and transaction history. If at any point you find yourself needing more information or clarity about your limits, the next step is to visit help.crypto.com. Here, you can use the search feature and type in the word limits. This will provide you with a wealth of articles and FAQs that delve deeper into the various aspects of limits, offering more comprehensive guidance and support. This resource is absolutely invaluable, especially if you need specific answers or are encountering any issues. And there you have it, a straightforward step-by-step guide to checking your limits on Crypto.com. By following these steps, you can ensure that you're fully informed about your account's capabilities and ready to carry out your trading activities without a hitch. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and crypto insights. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.